Hello and welcome to this session on interview question series for VLSI industry. So let us start with new question. I have shared similar kind of questions before also, and these kind of questions usually asked in any semiconductor interview. These are very simple questions. If you look the circuit carefully, you can find out the answer very easily. So question is find out the V out of the following circuit. So if we look each circuit one by one. So let us start with first circuit. This is simple NMOS. At gate 1 volt is given and V out is R. So usually we consider that MOS is in saturation region. So if we apply the saturation condition, it is VDS should be greater than VGS minus VT. Okay, or I can write VD should be greater than VG minus of VT. Okay, so now VG is given 1 volt and VT we can consider either 0.4 or 0.5 approximately. So if suppose I take 0.5 volt, then VD drain voltage should be greater than 0.5 volt in case of saturation. Okay, so this is for first circuit. This is VD drain voltage. Now if you look second circuit, this is PMOS. So at gate of the PMOS 1 volt is applied and we want V out here. So you may get confused with this circuit. This is PMOS and if 1 volt is applied, so intuitively answer we can give that V out will be 0. Because PMOS condition, you know that if PMOS works at lower than threshold voltage. So if at gate PMOS voltage is 1 volt, we can give intuitive answer that V out will be 0. Now the third question. What is there in third question? This is a source follower because output is taken from the source of NMOS. Okay, so what does source follower do? It follows the input. Okay, so V out, intuitive answer of V out is Vn. So approximately 1 volt. Now next circuit is what? If you see the circuit, it is inverter. Okay, very simple circuit, but this question was asked. These last two questions, look these circuits very carefully. This fourth circuit is of inverter. So at input, if 1 volt is applied, then we can say ki output will be 0 because it will invert the input. Now if you look at the fifth circuit, NMOS is there in place of PMOS and PMOS is there in place of NMOS. Okay. So now what will be the output if input is 1 volt? So it is very easy. If you see, output is taken from the source as well as source of NMOS as well as source of PMOS. So this circuit will act as a source follower. So output will follow the input. Intuitive answer. These are not the calculated answer but intuitive answer, and everyone asks the intuitive answer just to check your IQ level, just to check your confidence. They don't want exact answer. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please hit like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. and wait for next video. Thank you.